This video is for additional wiring only. Follow the V16 Basic Video Manual before continuing. The additional wiring for the V16 charger controller includes an orange wire. Extend the wire by connecting to the additional length of orange wire provided. Next, connect the fuse holder close to the battery end of the orange wire. Cut the wire and feed each end into the holder. Tightly close the holder with a pair of pliers. Connect the negative terminal of the leisure battery to the negative terminal of the vehicle battery, or to chassis. Now connect the orange wire to the positive terminal of the vehicle battery. Finally, fit the fuse in the fuse holder. Fuses should only be fitted once all connections are made. The leisure battery will now be charged when the vehicle engine is running. Turn the controller on and press the enter button to monitor the leisure battery voltage. Press enter again to monitor the vehicle battery voltage. The charging function is active when the controller is on or off. When activated, the display will flash CHG. For all settings and controller messages, see Spring's auto calibration instructions and digital controller messages videos. For the full V16 range and more information, visit www.springltd.co.